Here's a review of some of the cafes in Canggu. One of them is called Matcha. It's a little cute cafe, very high quality matcha. They import their matcha from Japan, so their lattes are really good. In their menu, they have a special. You can get 3 things for a specific price. Like these 3 things, you get a latte, and then this is fruit bowl, a smoothie, and then another like tangerine juice or something else. This is their matcha pancake. The matcha pancake was okay. It was too much Nutella chocolate on that, and then I ordered that drink as well, which was fine. The matcha latte was the best thing, and then their smoothie bowl, the chia seed smoothie bowl, those were the best thing. This one, way too much Nutella chocolate on that. Here's another restaurant, Shady Shack, which I went for dinner. It's a vegan restaurant. The food wasn't that great. It looked good, but it wasn't that great. Even their smoothie juice wasn't that good. But it looked good, but the taste was disappointing. This is where the restaurant is, near this area. Here's another cafe called Vida. I went there for their acai smoothie, which was good. I ordered only that. It was this one. They decorated really nice, and it was a good drink. But the cafe is next to that main street, so you get a lot of noises. This is another one, Motion Cafe. That was one of the best restaurants. Really, really good food. I ordered their breakfast, but they have it all day. The quality of food and latte and their smoothie green juice was fantastic. And here's another cafe called Avocado Factory. Everything they have avocado in it. Very, very good restaurant. They have fantastic food. They even have pancake with avocado in it. It was amazing. I went there a few times. The prices are reasonable and the quality of food is really good. And then when you're on the beach, there are these cafes. There's a series of these. The quality of food here was not that great. So here you're just paying for the view. But the food is not that great. The restaurants which are in Canggu, especially the 2 ones, Motion and the Avocado Factory, those are really high quality food. But at the beach, you just order something because you are using their space. But don't expect that much from quality of food. And here's the hotel I stayed. Very bad choice. It's called, that's the name, Eastern Ashta. There's a huge construction going on next to that. The hotel itself was good, but the construction, the non-stop noises, and the horrible view that you get, it was really, really bad choice. And 90% of their rooms are facing the construction zone. Although the hotel is a good location in terms of being close to the beach, but as of July 2022, that construction is happening, and God knows how long it's gonna take. I assume it's a few years because it's a huge hotel that they're building, and the construction is a non-stop from morning till 5 p.m., 6 days a week, including Saturdays.